The Bureau of Customs is confident of more successes in its campaign against smuggling. This optimism is based on the assistance of member countries of the World Customs Organization. This report from Noel Perfecto.
After a successful 7-day World Customs Organization conference in Brussels, Belgium, Commissioner Rufy Biazon strongly expressed the readiness of the Customs Bureau in their fight versus illegal activities around the ports in ports around the country. Biazon stressed that with the help of WCO member countries, the customs can easily identify the contrabands entering the country and even the group or personalities behind these contrabands. Not only changes in the procedure on how the Customs Bureau will collect the correct duties and taxes will be seen, there will also be a stronger and more intelligence networking to prevent illegal activities from smugglers.
Matagumpay kasi yung proposal na sinabi ko, yung orientation for policymakers ay tinanggap naman ng WCO at meron nga silang programa na itatayo para doon sa pagbibigay ng information or exposure sa mga policymakers sa mga bansa na naghahanap ng customs reform.
He added that reshuffling in customs will happen, particularly the district collectors in the prime cities in the country such as Port of Manila, Manila International Container Port, and the Ninoy Aquino International Airport. All the upcoming changes has been given the go signal by the proper authorities, and no one will be given a favorable treatment in the agency's campaign to aid the government.
Lahat sila open to be reassigned.
Wala pong sisinuhin ko.
Yun ang next natin na move. So, I think we've given everyone enough time.
In order to help raise the customs revenue and reach its target, Biazon said that all seized rice that illegally enter the country are to be auctioned off.
Kung hindi pa natin ma-dispose ito, baka tuluyang mabulok o kaya bumaba ang value. No? So, kung ma-resolusyonan yung policy question na pwede bang diretsong ibenta na lang basta sa NFA yung bigas, baka pwedeng unahin na muna itong mga pending na auction para ma-dispose na natin.
The Customs Bureau will earn millions of pesos from auctioning the said seized rice products. For the People's Television, I'm Noel Perfecto.